everybody, we'll see each other again in the new video. Have a nice day. Today we make sweet potato cake with cheese. Please do it with me. First, they cut the potatoes into small pieces. To boil sweet potatoes are very good for our health. I would like to introduce some of the effects of sweet potatoes to you. 1. Prevent vitamin A deficiency. 2. The effect of sweet potatoes to reduce stress. 3. Sweet potato benefits to help control diabetes. 4. The effect of sweet potatoes to help manage weight. 5. Uses of sweet potatoes. Promotes anti-inflammatory activities. 6. The effect of sweet potatoes to enhance memory. There are many more benefits that you can learn more about after boiling. We take it out crushed. I use this basket to make the potato dough more smooth off. The use of sweet potatoes also helps prevent and treat cancer after grinding. We add 1 tablespoon of flour and some fresh milk. All are well chosen. This dish is so simple, you can see it and you can make it right away in this video. I just want us to have one more nutritious, healthy dish that is not made. If you have any recipes, please let me know in the comments. After I finished mixing the dough, I molded them into round cylinders, cut them into even thin slices. Cheese cut into small pieces for filling. So we're done with the preparation. Now it's time to make the cake. Spread the dough out thinly. This step is easy, guys. Put 1 cheese filling. How do I make the dough? Completely cover the cheese and make it round. Do it one by one until the end. Now let's fry it very quickly, guys. It's so simple, guys. Curved sweet potato has the effect of helping to regulate blood pressure.